Okay, I have got a Kenmore 800 series washer and dryer. Right now I'm running a normal, regular load. Got all the options kind of set there. And nice full load of jeans and towels. As you can see, it's nice and clean. Working great. What I want to do is just let it run through its cycle and let you listen to the spin cycle when we get there. And as you can see, it's agitating. Sounds great. And I'll show you that it's nice and stable, no weird noises or anything like that. It's already been through its inspection, but we're going to go ahead and run this load through it. Then once it's done, I will move the clothes over to the dryer and show you that that works as well. So we'll come back. Okay, and here we go into that spin cycle. Sounds great. Nice and level and stable, and no shaking or wobbling or weird noises. So it is spinning nice and super fast. Nice heavy load. Lid switch works. Awesome, so we'll let that go ahead, finish out. I'll show you that those clothes are nice and spun, all the water spun out of them. Then we'll check on that dryer. Okay, so these have finished up. Grab them out of here and nice and light. Excellent. There's no excess water in these whatsoever. Let's check some more jeans and towels here. A pair on the bottom. Excellent, so nice and light. And then on the dryer, just kick that on time dry and hit go. You can see running empty, it sounds great. There's no squealing noises or any thumping or anything like that. Then I'm going to show you that it does in fact heat with my heat gun. Just kind of like to do that while it's empty. Pop that right in there and you can see plenty of heat coming out of that heating element tube. And of course we'll stick it over here on automatic. Doesn't really matter which one you want to use. I'm going to show you that it's heating on that cycle also. Okay, right up in there. And the longer you let it go, the more it's going to heat up. But okay, let me get those clothes moved over. That way you can hear them inside. Give me just a sec. Okay, so I got those in there. Of course, this is all nice and clean. And we will sounds great. Well, there you have it. Now you know that this set I've got for sale works. I'd say they're in like new condition. I'm going to do a little touch up here on the tops. Tops of these dryers always get a little bit worn over time, so we're going to make that look like new, and then these guys will be in like new condition, inside and out, very clean, hardly any use on them. And the important thing is you know that what you're spending your money on works. That's why I do these videos, so that you can see that. So if you have any other questions, please reach out. Otherwise, I'll get these listed up for sale. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video.